Welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. I received this Facet Jewelry Box to review it, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the sweepstakes that Facet Jewelry Box it's running. There's going to be a link in the description box. You have to enter your email address for a chance to win. 5 winners are going to win a quarterly subscription for a year, and 5 more winners are going to win one Facet Jewelry Box of their choice. Remember, these sweepstakes ends up April 20th. So if you want to be one of the winners, you need to go ahead and click the link and go enter your email address right now. I'm going to go ahead and make this project for you. So let's see what's in here. This is the project that I'm going to be making today for you guys. Woven fringe earrings. And remember, it comes with all the instructions and all the materials to create 2 projects. This is the embedded peyote bracelet. So here are all the materials for the embedded peyote bracelet. And right here you can see we have the materials for the woven fringed earrings. We have our fire line. So I hope you guys enjoyed these tutorials. Let's get started. You are going to thread your needle with a yard of fire line. You are going to pick up 7 cylinder beads. You are going to bring them down and you are going to leave a 6 inches tail. You are going to make a square knot. Make sure you don't get any beads cut. We are going to sew through few cylinder beads. We are going to pick up our 4mm 10 cylinder beads, 115, 1 teardrop, 115, 1 cylinder, and we are going to bring them down, skip the last 5 beads, and sew back through the next cylinder in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to pick up 2 cylinder beads, 115, 1 teardrop, 115, and 1 cylinder. Sew through the cylinder. Your thread is exiting from bottom to top. We are going to repeat this step 3 times, but we are going to alternate color. So we are going to pick up 2 cylinders, 115, 1 teardrop, 115, 1 cylinder. We add our 4 loops, so right now we are going to sew through 2 cylinders. We are going to repeat step 3 and 4 to make 5 rounds of 4 loops per round. Make sure to sew through 2 cylinders between each round. So we are going to pick up 2 cylinders, 115, 1 teardrop, 115, and 1 cylinder, and we are going to continue. I've been repeating step 3 and 4, and I'm at the top right now next to the 4mm bead, and I'm about to add the last 4. I just wanted to show you. Add your other 2 beads, and I'll be right back to show you how to finish your earring. I'm done adding all my drops. Our thread is exiting from the first cylinder bead out of the 10 that we had when we started. We are going to sew up through the 4mm. If you haven't reinforced your loop, we are going to reinforce our loop. We are going to make some passes, make some knots, cut our threads, and then we are going to put our earring hook. So you're going to open your earring hook. We are going to pass through the loop we made. We are going to close it. You are going to go ahead and make your other earrings, and you should have a beautiful pair of earrings. I'll be right back to show you how to make the bracelet. We are going to thread our needle with a comfortable length of fire line. We are going to pick up a stop bead. You can pick up any bead, and we are just going to sew through. And this step is up to you, you don't have to. And we want to leave 9 inches tail. We are going to pick up 12 cubes. We are going to bring them down. Working in 2-drop Peyote Stitch, we are going to pick up 2 cubes. We are going to skip the last 2, and we are going to sew through 2. Working towards the tail, repeat this stitch twice to complete the row. Pick up 2, skip 2, and sew through 2. Pick up 2, skip 2, sew through the last 2. We are going to rotate. We are going to pick up 2 cubes and sew through the next pair of up beads in the previous row. Working away from the tail, repeat this stitch twice to complete the row. Work 3 stitch with 2 cubes per stitch, working toward the tail. We are going to pick up 2 cubes and we are going to sew through the next 2 up beads. Pick up a 3mm fire polish bead. Sew through the following pair of up beads. Repeat to work another stitch with a 3mm. Work a stitch with 2 cubes, sew through the next 3mm. Repeat this stitch once. And work a stitch with 2 cubes, sewing through the end 2 cubes. Work 3 stitches with 2 cubes. Pick up 2 cubes and sew through the next up beads. Pick up 1 3mm and sew through the next 2 up beads. Pick up a 3mm and sew up through 2 up beads. We are going to pick up 2 cubes and we are going to sew through the 3mm. Pick up 2 cubes and sew through the 3mm. Pick up 2 cubes and sew through the 2 up beads. Work 3 stitches with 2 cubes per stitch. Continue repeating these steps until you get the length that you need for your bracelet. I have the length that I need for my bracelet. Right now what I have to do is I gotta match the other side. So I'm going to pick up 2 cubes, sew through the 2 up beads, pick up 2 cubes, pick up 2, sew through 2, pick up 2, pick up 2, if you look at your work, both sides should be the same. If you look at this bead, it has 4 rows. To add the clasp, the directions are telling me I need to be exiting from these 2 cubes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down through 2 and we are going to weave so now We are in position to add our clasp. Pick up 3 11s, a loop of the clasp, and 3 11s, and sew through the next 2 up beads. Pick up 3 11s, sew through the second loop, and we are going to pick up 3 11s and sew through the last 2. And right now, all you have to do is reinforce your work, and you are going to go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other side, and your bracelet will be completed. Reinforce, make some knots, and you should be done with your bracelet. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you are interested in subscribing to the Facet Jewelry Box, the link with the information is going to be in the description box below. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, subscribe, share them with your friends. Until next time, thank you.